Starbucks is busy.
Yeah. I'd like some.
Gonna run there.
Bye.
And you didn't like starting your morning that way yesterday.
No.
Here's your one of your favorite spots. The rocking chairs.
Carnation bathroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, this way.
I don't think so.
Okay. Do you want to use Frontier bathroom over here? Yeah, might as well do that.
To begin your journey of fantasy and wonder in our many lands. For your safety and for those around, we ask that you walk to your next destination.
Yeah, that's
We
gonna
hope
happen.
that today
Huh?
you'll be making memories
gonna
that will last a lifetime. Thank you, and may you enjoy your day in this magic place called Disneyland.
Okay, that next.